having a girl dress up like that?
Nah, actually.
I mean, it's not weird or anything. You know?
You don't think so? I dress these girls up as...
Dressing them up as Superman and shit.
Jerseys and shit.
Dressing them up as Superman and shit. Where are you going, Albert?
Hey, I'm trying to send this bitch around.
Albert, come on, man.
Bitch.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
You want to talk to her?
Fix your wig, nigga. What girl? What are you guys talking about? Fucking another one of your Fantasy Fest girls?
No, look. She doesn't look.
What are you talking about?
You want to pull up to her?
Hold on. Hold on, I can't see anything. Wait, hold on. What are you guys talking about? Oh, there? Okay.
That little whore.
Dude, just because she's a fucking girl doesn't make her a whore. It makes her a trick-ass slut whore, bitch.
Oh, okay. That works.
Try to get your terminology correct, J-Mac.
She probably goes to school.
Go over there, bro.
You want to?
Yeah. Jesus Christ, J-Mac.
Hit the car.
Next fucking what? I'm going to have sea lice on me?
Yeah.
Tell me the truth, Albert. What's that from?
That's sea lice, man.
Come on, Albert.
Sea lice.
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 Was that having sex with sheep, dude?
Nah, probably. You know, I fucked the sheep once.
Having sex with strange dogs?
Yeah, he fucked the sheep and got gonorrhea.
Shut the fuck up, Albert. You're an idiot. Shut up. Stop. What are you doing? Don't go up there.
Oh.
Albert, bro.
What you guys...
Here, can you honk or something? Just give it a little toot. Let me see if I can fucking... Hey! Yo, dude! What the fuck?
Yeah, that's gonna work, you fucking idiot. Look.
It's just stupid.
Game face, nigga.
Excuse me. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? Una pregunta. Does she speak Spanish or what is she? Can I ask you a question, please?
You hablas inglés.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Inglés. Oh, what's up?
Albert, you might have to go over there. Albert.
I think I go over there.
That gold hurts, huh? It's just white gold, nigga. White gold, nigga.
I tell her come over here.
No, hold on. Excuse me. Can I ask you a question? Oh my God, she's an artist. Can I ask you a question? Are you an artist? Are you selling your work?
Yes.
Could I see it? It's for real. I just want to see it. Do you sell your artwork?
Sure.
You sell your work?
Yes.
Could I see it?
What are you filming?
I'm sorry?
What are you filming?
I can explain that in a second. If you could just come over here. I'll explain it to you in 1 second. I'll explain it to you. Oh my God, what am I fucking speaking? What the fuck am I speaking?
Hey, why are you even wasting... Oh, look at this screen. Never mind. I was going to say, why are you wasting your time? Is I get up?
Albie, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to concentrate on shutting the fuck up for 5 seconds. You're an artist?
Yes, I am.
Oh, wow. Are you drawing that plant over there?
What are you, a filmmaker?
Actually, I am a filmmaker. I make documentaries. Let me ask you a question. I'd love to do. Are you free right now? Or are you working, or are you like on the clock? I don't know how that works.
I'm busy. I'm working.
Yeah.
I need to sell some stuff.
Oh, so you do sketches, or what do you do?
How old are you?
Shut the fuck up, Howard.
Yes, I'm doing sketches.
Could I see any of them? Are they for sale?
Wow.
How much? J-Mac, what are you doing, dude? Yeah. Okay. Smelling it.
I'm selling them, but I already have customers.
Oh, you have customers? Is that like slanging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for
Do you slang on the street like that?
Yeah, I was painting a tree.
Yeah, just straight up like that. You can just sell it right off the pallet, huh? Can I see it? Can I look at any of your work? I'm interested. I like to buy artwork. Oh, that's nice. Can you bring it closer for me? Okay, that's good. And what else do you have? Oh my God, that's really nice. Look at that. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Okay, what is that?
That's the beach.
Eso es un paisaje. Is that how they say it in Spanish?
Paisaje.
Yes, paisaje. Very nice. Very well done. Let's see some more.
That's you.
Did you just draw me? Oh my God, who's that? That looks like a friend of mine named Dumpster. When he's all cracked out. When he's hitting the pipe. Let's continue. I want to see more. Wow, you're a really good artist. What were you drawing? Oh my God, it's fabulous.
Tree 1.
Okay, tree 1. That's really good. Wow, that's great.
Tree 2.
You have many different styles, I see.
Tree 3.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. Do you take classes?
No.
I like to paint too. My name's D. Sanchez. How are you doing? I'm an artist. I like to paint around here too. How are you doing?
Okay. Doing fine.
Oh my God, can I shake it? Maybe we're gonna be famous someday. Rub the nubs of a famous person. You know what I mean? Jesus Christ, God knows I'm not.
It's kind of hot.
Yeah, you're hot. Let me ask you a question. Are you busy right now, or what are you doing?
Well, I was drawing before you came.
Well, look, what I'd love to do right now, if you'd be interested in it, is because I do films. I have a production company, 305, keep it real, 305 Till I Die Productions in Miami, and holla, and holla at me, and holla at me, yo. No, but 305 Till I Die Productions is the name of my company, and I'd love to like interview you, like talk to you about your artwork and stuff like that. Yeah, it's a real diamond on my ring.
What kind
and
of
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's a real diamond.
You know, because I know you're looking. It's cool. Don't worry.
I wasn't looking.
Oh, come on. I know you were. Girls always look at stuff like that. God damn, I'd love to meet you. This is my friend Albert. J-Mac, what are you doing?
Out of my face, man. Look a little hot.
Come on, he's an actor.
I'm an actor.
We're all artists. He's an
What's up with
actor.
his hair?
Yeah, except for my friend. Except for my friend Albert, he's just a faggot. But other than that,
Fucking faggot.
yeah, he's gay. Anyway, so he's acting. No, my friend J-Mac's an actor. Stop, dude. My friend J-Mac's an actor.
I'm getting burned here.
I'm a musician. Do you do any music or anything like that?
Yeah, I play piano too.
Oh my God, that's awesome. I would love to interview. Yeah, man. Would you be interested? Maybe we pay you like $300-400. We could interview you. Maybe drive around, and talk to you.
Yeah, and the AC.
Oh my God, this AC is blowing on my things.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Is that all how much you're paying?
Well, how much?
For how many
You gotta
times?
sign papers.
How long?
For how many time? Let me think. I don't speak that language. What are you asking me?
Like 20
How
minutes.
long?
How long? About 30 minutes.
¿Cuánto tiempo?
¿Cuánto tiempo? I don't speak Spanish very well. ¿Cuánto tiempo? 30 minutos?
30 minutos.
30 minutos.
Okay.
Yeah, but we got to do it in the van.
I don't think so.
What do you
We'd
mean?
rather stay outside.
Well, the thing is for us, it's better. Yeah, it's hot as fuck out here,
And
too.
we gotta get the lighting in here is good in the fucking.
That's a weird.
And
Do you see? I have to use filters. Let me show you my
I'd
camera
rather
here.
don't go in
Let me
there.
show you my camera here. I have to use filters for the lighting, and so it's easier for me to just shoot in here. And we drive around. We have AC. There's no seats in the van or anything, so it's perfect.
Here, wherever you
Yeah, we can
seats?
bring. We're just gonna. Yeah, there's no seats because I like to do these interviews with people. The seats get in the way. It's a big problem. We can look at the van. Why don't you show her inside show her the thing? And now you know what I mean. Yeah, there's nothing bad in here. Shut the fuck up. See, look inside. I'm an artist too, man. We can trust each other, for real.
Chilling.
305 till I die.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, I'm an artist too. I'm not gonna hurt you. We work together. We got to work together, you know.
Promise?
Yeah, we got to work together as artists. You know,
Okay, close your head.
we got each other's backs. Oh, it's a medical condition I have.
Okay.
It's thoraxis carinus. And it's a problem in my yeah. Shut the fuck, stupid. He's an actor. He's studying to be an actor right now.
Yeah,
Comedian?
No, like an actor, like a real actor.
like John Travolta.